After installing and configuring Classe 300X, you will be prompted to connect the video internal unit to your home Wi-Fi network. Enable the Wi-Fi connection. Select your Wi-Fi network from the available list. Enter the Wi-Fi network password and confirm to complete the connection. Once connected, Classe 300X invites you to pair the device with the Home Plus Security app. Download the Home Plus Security app from the digital store. Install the Home Plus Security app on your smartphone. Create a Home Plus Security account or log in by entering your credentials. Enter your email and password and press Send. Select the BTicino from the available list. Choose Classe 300X and follow the configuration instructions. On the video internal unit, press Show Setup Code. Frame and scan the QR code shown on the screen. Customize your home configuration according to your needs. On your smartphone, discover all the features available through the Home Plus Security app. The app suggests the exact configuration completed on the video internal unit. Use the Installation Assistant to customize the placement of devices. For example, Classe 300X in the living room, lock and gate outside. When the configuration is complete, press Finish to complete the procedure. Perform a call test to check that everything is working correctly. Carry out a test to activate the lock and gate locks directly from your smartphone. Check the automatic activation of the entrance panel camera with a dedicated test. Perform a Call Home audio call test from your smartphone. Using the app, you can schedule the muting of the call ringtone. You can temporarily mute all calls or set specific days and times when calls will be muted. In advanced settings, you can enable the video internal unit's answering machine and record a welcome audio message that will be played on the entrance panel.